Hey, Mom, can we go put a marshmallow in the microwave?
Ooh, can we?
Yeah.
Yeah, giant one. A giant one.
Go get it out. We're at the school.
Okay, so we got a giant marshmallow comparison to my hand, and we're gonna put it in this bowl and put it in the microwave. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, and when it comes out, we're gonna see what it's like. Oh my God, I'm gonna keep it going. Watch it grow, watch it grow, watch it grow. Oh my God, I got it.
It's gonna explode.
I need a fork. Somebody give me a fork, please.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, who would have known a marshmallow could get that big?
Luna, you better get it out before it explodes.
Careful. Make sure it's not hot, baby.
It's gonna be very, very, very.
Oh my God!
Okay, so your
Remember how small it was? Before and after.